Hi Watch Fam, coming to you with yet another unboxing of another Avi-8 watch. Unfortunately, I think this box has already been opened by customs because as the packaging was torn when it arrived, but well, let's see how it looks. This is again with a typical Avi-8 box, which I really like. As I mentioned before, solid, I think, paper construction. Okay, and this is the Avi-8 Kent watch. As per the usual with Avi-8 watches, they are quite large, and this particular version, wait, let me quickly check. This would be the Sussex, which is blue in color, as you can see here. It is a 43mm size watch, large as usual, Flieger style. And what's interesting is the past I've always reviewed mainly Mecha Quartz watches, Mecha Quartz powered watches by Avi-8. Today this is an automatic watch, and this is powered by a Citizen Miyota 8 series. I'll get into the details in the review later. I will need to spend some time with it before I can actually give you my honest opinion of how it performs, how it feels like, and all the other stuff. So just very quickly removing some of the plastic wrapping. This particular version, the model number is the AV4094-02, the Sussex. And the other satisfying part of unboxing watch, removing the plastic covering the case itself. If I could find where it starts. I'm struggling a little bit here. Well, at least it's protecting the watch well. Oopsie. There you go. And they have another plastic covering on top. Oh, so satisfying. I am not extremely sure. I haven't checked the specs in detail again. I think it's sapphire, definitely stainless steel case. With, as usual again with Avi-8 watches, a very elaborate case back. And with other Avi-8 watches, it has a reason behind it. It's the Hawker Hurricane Kent's watch. You can always read all about their inspiration, where they drew their inspiration for the design from at their website, which hopefully I'll share below. So that's all for today, just a very quick unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it and look forward to sharing my thoughts on this once I've reviewed it. Thanks and take care. Goodbye.